Alright, so a little update. Ran into a snag. This A-arm, upper A-arm driver's side, the welds aren't right. It's a little bit off and that shock will not go in. You can see how the shock bushings every time I put it in there get blown out. So talked to Super ATV. They're working on sending me a new one. But we're getting close. Still need to finish those McNasty plates, get them completely in. Rear end's almost completely done. Getting ready to start rewiring. So all that's gonna be cleaned up. But did put on the rear bumper. Wife had a day off, she helped. I think it looks pretty good.